Good evening, everyone. Hope you are all doing well. So this is the voice of Larry. This is the first time I come across my video. Please just subscribe. Go to that subscribe button, click on it, and turn on the notification button. So anytime I drop my video, you always see it on time. So and also please like and share this video so the video can go a long way. I really appreciate that. And then again, I'll drop the link to my community. Now for this thing now. For this particular update, I will advise you to join my community now, because this particular update I want to reveal to you guys. This update is based on referral, but that referral is not something that you look for someone to refer. So I advise you now to join the group, so you can refer yourself. If you are following, you can refer yourself. That I will explain, break everything to you step by step. But I advise you now, you just go and join the community now, because I'll be creating another group for us to like inviting ourselves, like to complete friend tasks. Maybe you should send friend requests, all those kind of interactive tasks. So I advise you now to join. So you want to look for someone that maybe you should send your red packet or you should send all that kind of thing. So I advise you just join my community, so everything will be there. So if you need any help, you just send your red packet, and those that want to click on it, you click on it. So you tell them. So if they won't click on them, they'll benefit it, and they'll benefit from that particular. You also benefit from it. So there's nobody that you send the red packet, or you need someone to send friend request. If you send very friend request, that you benefit for it. Your other person, and you are also many benefits out also. There are also many benefits. So I advise you to just join the community, so that you won't look for someone to be referred. This one is not compulsory. You must refer new people. You can refer your friend that you have. You just your friend that you have on this app. You can refer them. I'll explain everything. Just stay tuned to the end of this video. Now the name of this particular app is Glow Life. Now this Glow Life, just like all these particular streaming app, all these streaming app, like Taka, Gem Gala, and much more that we know about, and made a lot of money from it. So this particular is totally different. From that Taka and the latest one that came out of recent, that one, that for that spin, I want you have to refer. But this one, you don't have to stress yourself going outside. Just go and refer. You just have to do everything within one space. That's the space I'm providing for you guys. So you guys just join the community now, so that that's the chance will be secure. No need of you stressing yourself going outside, or maybe I look for someone that you refer, or maybe you worry that how will you cash out this thing. Everything is ready for you. You only just to put more effort and join the community now, before you this video escape you, or you didn't see this video again. So now the first thing you're going to do is that the first thing you have to do is to do your verification, and make sure this place is very very crucial. When you want to do your verification, please don't, if you are a male, don't use your male face. If you have a babe, or you have a sister, make sure you are using a female profile. Don't go and use male. If you are using male, you are just wasting your time on or if anything streaming platform, like all this kind of streaming, they don't use a male is just, I don't know, you are totally different. It's only female that benefit from this thing very well. Just mostly females, so make sure you're using a female. Anything you're opening, I'll drop the link to this particular app too. So just click on the link. When you click on it also benefit from it. So just go to the comment section, click on the link now, and download this app. So when you download the app, next thing you sit around this place that you verify your, or you sit in the home, but I've verified more already. So you see verify. They ask you to do something first, and the other one, they ask you to verify your face. Make sure the place you are verifying, please make sure that is in a where there's place that is luminous, where there's enough light, please. So just after I verify your face, next thing is that there are different ways you can earn on this app. Now let me start with this. No, let me start with this. Reward. So now the first thing you're going to do is that you can host. You can turn on this mic. Just come here. Just come here. cancel it. So you stay there 1 hour. So make sure so for 2 hours, that's 100,000 token. Can you see it? And before you can withdraw, you must have up to 1 million. That means within 10 days you have withdrawn from this thing. And this is not the only way you can withdraw. There are various ways you can withdraw. Now this is the first one. Hope you understand. Next thing is that for this one, you need a live broadcast, and you for 60 minutes, and you want the mic. So this one, I think you have to upgrade. You need some coin to upgrade this one. So just do that. This one you need VIP. Where when you have now this one you need VIP for this one. So this one you can upgrade this one later. When you are getting coin, just make sure you are upgrading all these things. So this one at that stage now. Can you see all these things I'm talking about? Can you see it? Guys, this is what I'm talking about, that you have to like need followers. Now that's the reason why I'm telling you to join the group. So you won't look for followers now. You can just copy your code. You can just copy your code. This is your code here. This is your ID here. Can you see this is your ID? You copy it. When you copy it, you just join the you when you are joining, you just tell you just paste your ID that follow for follow. So stop like something like that. So you just come here and search for ID. When you search, you'll follow you. So you just made the confirmation. Maybe then you follow the person back. So that's how to complete that's how to complete this follow for follow. That this for your followers, this thing. So you should upgrade your this thing. Now can you see activate your when you activate your VIP, you need 30,000. When you have 30,000 token or coin, you can upgrade. So you can do all this kind of tax. So that's it about this one. Now the next one I want to explain to you guys how to this. Just come to this place, just come here, click on this invite and win up to $200. Now this stage now is just very simple, no need to stress yourself. There's no need to stress yourself at all. So now if you are just for joining, you see draw here. Then you have some free draw here. Now this draw now, you just click on it. You click on it, so it will give you some amount. You may touch any amount. So the amount any amount it's only stop. So it will add up this your balance. Can you see it? You add also, and you can also invite when you invite friends. When you invite friends, it's also add up. Now this one is when you invite new friends. When you invite new friends. Now let me tell you now the other way around. That I say you can invite the friends that you haven't invited before. You can invite new friends. So for this one, so you can invite even friends that you have on this app. Now let me tell you how you do that. It's called red packet. Just click on share. Can you see it? Now this red packet is something that we all know what is red packet now. It's just like a kind of gift they put inside maybe a red envelope or something, and so the person will open it. Now this red packet, you are going to send it to your friends. Now if you click on go now, can you see it? You see friends here. You click on friends. Now these are friends you have on the app. You just click on them. So when it reach the minimum amount that I want to send, so you can use it as you can only send to only 9 people at once. So you click on confirm. So they have sent it. So they see the link, and if they see it, they also click on it. So because it also benefit them. They also benefit from it, and you benefit from it. Just when they click on it, just come here and click on claim. So that's how you just do it. So now if you want to, like when you join the group now, when you join the WhatsApp group now, if you want to share red packets to those that you just, so after joining the WhatsApp group, so this is where you can say you just click on share to WhatsApp. You just share to the group. So those that see, you just click on it. When they click on them, they will benefit from it. So that one like that, you can use to speed up this place. You too also can be click on people red packet also. If you see they say red packet, you click on it. So this one increasing. So when it reach $10, here, you just redeem this one and you withdraw it. The minimum withdrawal on this app is $10. So let me now take you to another place. Now there's another place you can earn also. I'm coming. Okay, another way to earn on this app is for you to that one I told you about, that one is just invite, that one is just share red packet and also earn from people red packet. But this one is the main invite. And this main invite, so for this one you just like you are watering a plant. So every hour so they'll give you some certain time. So just come and collect it. Just click on collect like this. Collect it. It's stealing people coin. So this one can use to earn extra reward that, so just keep this water. Now you can come here and steal people coin. Just click on steal. So someone is stealing stolen. So you can steal people water too. Okay. So that I enjoy reading it. There's no any beat in here. So that I'm doing it. So now can you see when this one complete, now it's move to next stage. So this is how to earn your extra reward on this one. And you can invite friends. Invite friends. Just click. You see your tax here. Can you see it here? Can you see it? That's just how to do it. I've claimed the receipt for that one now. So the tax. So friends, see, just keep stealing that coin and this in the water. So just click on, if you want to invite, just click on your invite code, or you click on invite here to get the full link. Can you see? Just click on invite to get the full link. Just copy the link. So that was all about this app. So I advise you now to just join my group, my community. So when you join the community, you also request for the group, or in fact you are going to already see the group there. So just join it. So make sure you take this thing very very serious. So that's it about low life. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate that. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. It's very very important. So bye for now.